Hey, it's Madison. Let's install the Moon Push Wall. Before starting, I mopped the floor and cleaned my wall. First, I'm going to unroll and organize my images. I'll start the wall application by applying tape to my moon face, then peel back a section to expose the backing and trim that portion away. Once the backing is removed, I'll press the exposed part of the moon firmly onto the wall. At this point, I can remove the tape and lift the moon to peel off a section of the backing. In my left hand, I'll hold the backing, and in my right hand, I'll use the squeegee in a smooth, wave-like motion to press part of the image down. I highly recommend having an additional person help you install the wall pieces. Because my wall has an outlet, I'll use my X-Acto knife to cut an opening. To apply the floor piece, I'll use the exact same steps as I did to apply the wall. Pro tip: if you're installing on a brick wall, use a hairdryer and a squeegee after placing the images. The heat helps the adhesive conform to the texture, ensuring a stronger bond. Thanks for watching!